Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. If you are here for the first time, welcome, and if you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. Today I have the beautiful Classic Palette by KKW, and I'm going to be creating this beautiful look. This is a beautiful everyday look. Anyone can do it. It's super easy. Want to see how I got this look? You already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so getting started with today's look using the KKW Classic Palette. It's available for everyone today. So I'm really excited about this one. I just want to see if the consistency is there, and I'm really intrigued when it comes to new collections and new makeup lines and see if they can keep going with what they have. I'm hoping, I'm rooting, you know, I'm not a Kardashian hater, like, get your money, do what you do. Here is the palette. So this palette right away off the bat, my first impression, this feels really nice. It feels like a soft satin feel. It's reminding me of the Mario palette as far as the weight and everything. Feels very similar, and I believe this is going to be the same size. I think that on here, this might be just a little cheapy, whatever. This is just the outside box, but it's just like a little sticker here with all the information. I mean, that could be a little better, I guess. I don't know, whatever. But that's the packaging on the outside. Oh my God, it's so hard to, there we go. Okay, there we are. It's just that classic KKW style. It's just the nude on nude. And let's see now, the big reveal. Oh wow, yeah. You guys, these colors are just gorgeous. Gorgeous. They're probably a little bit more peachy than what they're maybe showing up on the camera. A little bit more rich, I guess I could say. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my face ready. Let me get my eye area all together, and then we will get into the palette. So let me just prepare my eyes, prepare my eyebrows, and we'll get right into it. Okay, so I use a really bright base because I do want to get the most out of this palette. I want to get the most brightness out of the colors. So I use the P.Louise number 3 instead of number 2. P.Louise is going to be coming out with some more shades, by the way, which is really cool. That way, if you ever want, if you have a darker skin, if you ever want to put on a base and it is the same color, you'll have that option. So one of the things right away for the palette is that the names are on the back. I thought maybe the actual palette would be a little different than the outside box packaging. It's not, that's fine, but the little sticker here, it really would be cool if the names were on the inside, I guess, like right up underneath, but the colors are right here. I know people love swatches. I don't like to do the swatches. Again, I told you in one of my other videos, but I don't mind doing it. I think a lot of the times people just want to see the colors for people that are my skin color, or just to see like if it's pigmented. So I will go ahead and do a swatch. The first color, this is Saint. Next color in the palette, right here. That color is called Florence. I'll go back in and do a close-up as usual. I will go back in. Next color in the palette right here, this beautiful peach color. This one is called Selfish. Ooh, I really like that. I really like that. All right, next color I'm going over right here is called Calabasas. Oh, I love that one. Come on, Kim. Alrighty, this one right over here is called Chicago. I like how all of the, oh my gosh, Chicago. I love how all of the metallic ones, those are her kids' names. And I do see another metallic-y in here, and I believe that's the other child's name. So there's 3 metallics for the 3 children. Super cute, Kim. Okay, going in with this color down here in the corner. That one is called Fade. Next, going in with this color right here in the palette, the second one over, is called Dash. This palette is for sure gonna get your everyday life. They were right. They said if you really want to achieve that Kim Kardashian everyday kind of glowy look, her bronzy, all those colors, I can see it. All right, here is the other metallic one in the palette. This one is called North. I love it. I love how those metallic colors are the kitties' names. You guys, these colors are nice. Already working my way down. This color right here, second to last in the palette, that one is called Family. And I gotta say, they're pretty pigmented to, you know, just go on the skin like that. Okay, and then this is the darkest color in the palette, that last one there. That one is called Gemini. I ain't mad at you, Kim. I never am. You're getting better and better. I'm never mad. All right, let me get you guys a nice little close-up. Okay, so starting from the top up close, you can see that that is Saint. That one in the middle there is Florence, Selfish, Calabasas, Chicago, Fade, Dash, North, Family, and Gemini. So I don't have a particular style of eye that I want to do today. I'm just going to wing it. I am definitely feeling Family though. The one right here. I definitely want to start off with that, and I'm going to start tapping that right on the outer corner, and let's just go. And I'm using my Delium Tools 781. Alright, so the next color that I'm feeling, next color, let's go into Selfish. Same thing, I'm going to tap that right in, and this one is gonna go right in the middle. You guys, I really feel like the pigment on these are really good. There's just something about these warm colors too. It's just so beautiful. And definitely these are blending together very well, I will say. And now for the inner corners, I am going to go in with Saint. I feel like I want to make my inner corner pop really good, so I'm gonna use Saint. Gonna take Florence and just blend that on the outside of what we have going right here. So I'm basically taking Florence, and I'm also going back into, what is that first one I used? Family. And I'm really just creating the shape that I want. Now the next thing I want to do after blending everything, making sure that there were no harsh lines, I want to go in with the darkest color in the palette. And with that same Delium Tools 781, I do want to darken at the very edge and bring it up into the crease just ever so slightly. And then just for fun, just to do a little bit of highlight, I am gonna go in with Chicago. This is my MAC 213, and I'm gonna put Chicago right at the tip here and just see what kind of look this gives me. Perfect. Now I'm gonna take Family and just go a little bit on the inside here by the brow. So I'm gonna stop here, go ahead and put on my foundation, and then we will continue with the bottom of the eyes and getting into the lashes. Okay, something that I love to do after putting on my foundation, I like to go back in underneath the eyes just to open them up a little bit more. So I'm going to put a little bit of liner in my waterline, and then I'm going to go back in with Family, and I'm just going to put that in underneath the eyes. And I really like that color Selfish. So I'm going to take Selfish, and I'm also going to apply that underneath the eyes as well. All right, now normally I don't do liner, but I am gonna go ahead and do liner today, guys. I know, I never do it, but I am going to. So Stila has an amazing product out. They call it, it's waterproof eyeliner, but they call it the micro tip. My eyelashes are very, very curly, as you guys already know. If you guys have watched my videos enough, I cannot get behind them, but today I am going to. I'm definitely gonna line my eyes, and I'm gonna give myself a slight wing, nothing too crazy, but we're gonna go for it today. So nerve-wracking. And now to do this on the other side. I think they're even. Okay. If you have a hard time, go get Stila micro tip. It definitely helps. Okay, so I'm going to powder my face down. I want to set everything that I have. I have not set my face yet. I'm just going to go in with my Cover FX matte powder, setting powder, and then I'm going to contour my face and put on my lashes. So keeping it in the family today, I am going to go ahead and contour and highlight with the KKW Contour and Highlight Kit. It's only right. This is my Morphe M439, by the way. It's so handy dandy, gives me just the right shape and contour that I like. I never contoured my nose with this brush. I'm gonna try it. This is the MAC 227. Might be good. Oh, you know what though? For the nose, I'm not gonna use KKW because it is in this case a little too dark. I wanna use my MAC for my nose. That I do wanna do. See, it's just like, it's just enough. Now for the highlighting. I'm gonna jump over with my Morphe. This is my M438. Oh my God. My eyebrows, they don't listen to anybody. Hang on. They don't listen to nobody. Not even Anastasia sometimes. Stay in your place. Okay, back on track. Today I'm going to be using the Laylas by Lilly. She's just amazing. There's so many good ones out there, but these are just really my fave right now. All right, I'm going to put on some lashes. We're rounding the end of this look, this KKW Beauty look. I'm going to put on some lashes. I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to do the lips. Alrighty guys, back with the lashes, and honestly this look is just looking really good to me. I think I will find myself pulling this palette very, very often. Alright, so let's finish off with the lips. We're going to still keep it in the family going in with KKW. I'm going to put on Classic K. And then I'm going to top Classic K with Juicy Gloss by KKW Beauty as well. Okay guys, this is the final look. This look right here is very, very much so something that I would do, like I said, very often. This is my type of everyday look. These are the colors that I love. I live for these colors. All in all, my overall feeling about this palette is it is definitely worth it. It blends very well. I think with the shades that were a little bit matte, it dusted just a little bit, some of the mattes, but I didn't feel like I lost product, you know what I mean? You can tell when you're dipping into a pan when you feel like, okay, I'm losing product here. There's too much fallout happening. I didn't get that feeling. I love how this palette, she incorporated the kids' names. I just thought that that was super sweet, and it happened to be all the metallic colors. That is just really sweet to me. I love little things like that, even if there's not a full-on, you know, scheme and the packaging. Maybe if there's not a theme, I like when there's maybe thought into something. I feel like the actual product, you know, for what you're paying, $45, I think it may feel a little bit expensive, but I don't see myself hitting the pan anytime soon. Like, that's the best way I can explain it. I didn't feel like it was cheap at all. I didn't. Her formula is really good. I felt like it really blended well, and my thing is just, does it work for you? Is it colors that you would use? Is it something you feel like you would grab when you're getting ready for your day? This one I will grab for probably more often than any other ones that I have. I'm here for the everyday girl. I think that the everyday girl is gonna want to have some colors that she can wear to work and she can wear to a job interview. Does she need to have, you know, these crazy colors on? Not necessarily. You know, everyone doesn't require these outlandish colors, and that's where I kind of think I have my sweet spot with KKW. Even like I said, with the scheme, she's very classic and simple, and I just get that. I get that sophistication. I think that goes over some people's heads, and that's totally fine. It's not for them. Even if you do want to do something dramatic, if you do want to do something simple, I feel like you can get it off with this. I like it. I love it. That is my tutorial and first impressions and swatches and all that good stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Congratulations. This was my giveaway for this month, the KKW Classic Palette. Congratulations to whoever won. I know you're gonna enjoy it. Hopefully you watch this video and you get some tips and you can see at least one good look that you can get out of this palette. Yeah, so congratulations to the winner of my giveaway today. You're gonna love it. I'll be sending that out today to you. If you are not subscribed, if you are watching and you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button as well. You'll be the first to know when I upload. And I just want to also say this is just a little tiny milestone for me. My Aaliyah collection video, thank you to all you guys out there who watched that video, hit 1K this week. So 1,000 views on that, and I'm gonna celebrate all of the little milestones along the way. I think I have about 77 subscribers. I'm gonna celebrate 100, you know, tell someone to tell someone, I'll get there. Feel free to put anything down in the comments below. If you guys want to see something from me, if you guys just want to show some love, I appreciate it. Thank you to all you guys who always comment. I see every one of you. I do my best and I try to respond to every single one of you. I appreciate it. So it's Friday. Y'all already know it's good vibes. I feel good. I know y'all feel good. And even if you don't feel good, guess what? You're gonna find it. Find your frequency and feel good.